Hi friends, how are you? My name is Vismay. So hope you're all well and I hope you are safe and healthy, and especially in today's situation where everywhere, if you open your newspaper, if you open your mobile app, if you open a social media website or anything, even TV for say, you always find the news about coronavirus. Yes, this is a serious issue, so that's the reason I first ask you, how are you all guys? I hope you are safe, sound and healthy. Please do take care of yourself. This is my last line, but I'm taking in start of the video because I really want you guys to take care of yourself. Okay, let's move on to the video and let's understand why I am here after so many days to explain you something. Yes, you all know, right guys, that we had started this journey with the YouTube videos, and now we have moved a one step ahead where we are started training people on their skills. Yes, so me and there are a group of 5 to 6 trainers who are expertise in their field. Their job is to train people and ensure that you come ahead in your professional life as well. So we do train on topics such as MS Office, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, VBA, macros, digital marketing, C programming, communication skill, business skills, life skills, on and on and on. The list goes on. So we have come across many questions, and the people have many doubts. Of course they will have doubt. If they are paying us something, they will definitely have doubts. So I thought, why not make a video and clear all the major doubts. There are many doubts, but these are the 7 to 8 major doubts which come almost every day on my WhatsApp, on my email, on my social media page, everywhere. Okay, so I'll clear one by one all the doubts, and if you still have any doubts, you're always free to WhatsApp me on my personal number. I left you my personal number in the comment box and almost in all the post. That's the number, is my personal number, and it's not of any other person, so you can get in touch with me directly. My name is Vismay. Yes, so the first question which I get every time: sir, the duration of this course is too short. Majorly all my courses are 5 days or maximum of 6 days. Only one course, communication skill, goes to 15 days, because you have to give your 15 days to understand how to communicate with people. That's the only course which goes for 15 days, but rest all the courses are for 5 days, 2 hours each, interactive online sessions. So I think 2 hours, 5 days, 10 hours for one course is more than enough. I know there are many institutions which take a hell lot of money from you, ask you to attend a course for 45 days, 60 days. After 5 days your interest is also gone and you don't attend those courses, and those people enjoy the fees which you have paid in advance, the entire fees. So the duration of the course is not small. This is tried and tested. You can check our Facebook reviews, how our courses goes, and you can also check the positive reviews. All the reviews on Google as well as on Facebook are all positive reviews. Okay, the second question what I get is, how do you conduct these courses? Guys, these are online interactive sessions. We conduct it over Zoom or any other similar web meetings like GoToWebinar, GoToMeeting, Webinar Ninja, Webinar Jam, whichever I feel for the day is good to conduct a course, we do that. Student doesn't have to install anything. Student can just click on the link and open it on their mobile browser or on their laptop browser. Okay, I only want videos. Give it to me in low price. The fee itself is 4.99, and selling up of videos is not what we do. We don't sell courses of videos. We are not selling here. We are here to develop your skills. We are not here to sell anything, so keep that in mind. Selling is not what we are doing. We are developing your skills. We are talking to each other. We are interacting, and we ensure that you understand each and every bit what we are teaching you. Okay, so we don't provide videos, so we'll not give you only videos at less amount. If you come, you attend the webinar. If you don't have time for yourself, I'm really sorry. We are not here to sell the videos. Okay, the fourth question is, so I don't have time, need course as per my convenient time, that is 6:30 a.m. in the morning. 9 p.m. in the evening or 1 o'clock in the noon. If you don't have time to develop your skills, I'm really sorry, I can't find time for you to go ahead in your life. Okay, so you have to find time as per a course time, that is 7 p.m. every day in the evening. You have to just take out 5 days, 2 hours for these 5 days, and you never know, you can change your entire life in this 5 days. So think about it. The fifth question what I get is, we can't help it. Oh, sorry, my mistake. The fifth question is, how can we trust you? Yes, that is a good question, because we are new and you don't know us. We also don't have a website. We just carry on. As I said, these fees are very nominal. We are not here to earn money. We are here to develop your skill. We are not selling anything. We don't have any profit. All the cost goes in the admin cost. Nothing is left on with us. All the trainers are teaching for me for free of cost. Yes, you heard it right, it's free of cost. Everything is admin cost, making of training material, then paying for the webinar softwares, making of the marketing material. So everything is paid off, nothing is left for me and my trainer. So we are not making money here. So you have to trust us, you have to give one chance, and I assure you that once you pay us and attend our webinar, I'll assure you will bring 10 more guys and ensure that we get more students. So yes, you have to trust us for the one time. But yes, you can check the reviews in Facebook, all are positive. In Google also, people have attended and have loved the course and have also started implementing in their jobs, and they can see the changes themselves. Okay, now the next question is, what if for any reason uh, I miss the batch? Yes, there may be time where you have to attend something very important and you won't be able to log in to the given time. That's absolutely fine. You can attend the same session in the next batch. Okay, we can accommodate you. We can tell the trainers that yes, this he or she had missed the previous batch of the same lecture or the topic. We can accommodate you. The meeting link would be shared with you. Okay, so don't need to worry. Okay, what if I don't understand? If you don't understand, I will give your money back 100% after the course if you don't understand. Okay, because I don't want to take money from someone who hasn't understand my course, or who hasn't understand what to do after the course, what to do after the skill development. So I'll give you your money 100% back, no questions asked. As I said, this is not a money making company, or this is not a money making group. This is a group to help you go ahead in your professional life. That's it. These are the common questions which I get every day, day in day out. So I thought, why not make a video and answer you face to face. If you have any further questions, just email me or WhatsApp me on my personal number given below. I'll make sure that I answer all your questions. And yes, we conduct skill development programs every week starting Monday to Friday. Please WhatsApp me on my given number to understand what is next week. Currently also the online sessions are going on. Still I found time and made this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do take care of yourself. Bye. Take care.